Hi, I'm Rachel from My Better Mortgage. Welcome to this week's edition of No Fluff Friday. Today we're discussing second mortgages. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Guess we'll find out. A second mortgage is definitely not for everybody, but there is a certain clientele that can absolutely benefit from this. So in our office, if you are looking for funds, but you don't qualify for a new mortgage somewhere else, or the cost to break your current first mortgage is astronomical, then a second mortgage is definitely for you. So a second mortgage is registered behind your current first mortgage. You still need to make the payment on that mortgage. A second mortgage is often used to repair credit, so if your credit score is below the 500 mark, you don't qualify for financing somewhere else, we would consolidate all of your debts into one, give you a second mortgage. The interest rate is lower than that you're going to be paying on those other debts. You'll definitely see a cash savings. The benefit of the second mortgage is that you can sidestep the CMHC regulations. So CMHC says that you can only finance your property up to 80% if you're in alternative financing or you're refinancing. With a second mortgage though, they're not as regulated. So you can finance up to 95% of your property value with some lenders. That being said, a second mortgage is never our first option. We want to make sure that you're saving the most amount of cash possible, and so for that, a new first mortgage is always going to be the better answer. Your interest rate is higher with a second mortgage, and the payment is interest only, meaning you're not paying down any principal. If you borrow $50,000 this year, you're making your mortgage payment all year long. At the end of the year, you still owe $50,000. Financially, a second mortgage is more expensive than a new first mortgage. You'll have a lender fee to pay, you'll have a broker fee to pay, and you pay 2 legal fees because you pay yours and the lender's. So all in all, yes, a second mortgage can be beneficial, but it's not for everybody. If you have any questions, reach out. That concludes this week's edition to No Fluff Friday. Have a great one.